So what happens with Charlemagne's empire is that it is divided amongst his heirs. It's a dynasty. And Charlemagne has only one son called Louis, but Louis's got several sons. And each of them makes a claim to be a kind of king, or in fact one of them becomes an emperor in his own right. And so Lothar's actually a great grandson of Charlemagne. So he's in this family, but he is a king of a kind of little separate part of what had been the United Empire. So the scandal that dominates his reign begins really in 857. So Lothar becomes king in 855, which is when his father Lothar I dies. Lothar becomes king. As part of his claim to assert himself as king, he marries into a very influential family, and he marries a woman called Teutberger, and that happens already in 855. In 857, though, I think what's happening is that Lothar II is beginning to find his feet, and he decides he doesn't really like Teutberger anymore. Maybe he never really had. He doesn't like her family. Maybe he never really had. And he just sends her away. And what he wants to do instead is marry someone else, a woman called Waldrada, who it seems almost certain he already had a relationship with before his marriage to Teutberger. And so this seems a simple thing. It turns out to be anything but, and this is the scandal then which dominates the rest of his reign, because when his first efforts to just get rid of Teutberger without any fuss go badly wrong, he has to try to find a justification for doing this, and in the course of doing so, he makes outrageous slurs against Teutberger's character and her past in order to justify trying to get rid of her and marry someone else. And it's this entanglement, I guess, in this divorce scandal, and in particular the salacious accusations which are made against Teutberger, which really set the scene for what unfolds later.